Hello everyone, a very good evening to all of you. Welcome to the Officers Adda 24/7, the special YouTube series of your LRB subject in the English medium language. Very first of all, we are celebrating the independence of the 76th anniversary. So on the occasion of this Independence Day, today if you purchase any JIIB or CAIIB course, so you will exactly get 81% discount. Okay, you will exactly get 81% discount in this batch. So if you want to enroll in this batch, you simply have to use the code that is Y391. Okay, if you use this code, then you can exactly get 78% discount. So today on the occasion of this celebration, you can purchase the course on the special discount. So we are doing the important questions of your LRB, and these questions are very much important. Okay, so now let's start with this is the batch which I'm going to telling you that from 16th of August your new English medium batch is going to be start. In this batch class, the live classes will be available, the ebooks will be available, the test series are available, and the recorded videos will be available for at least 6 months if you purchase or if you enroll in this batch. So if you want to get success in this JIIB that is going to be held at November, so you have to go through this target batch, which is a complete package. Why it is complete package? Because the way I am teaching you in the YouTube sessions, so the same way I will teach you in the live class also. Okay, in the live class also we will teach. After that you can easily revise through the ebooks the important topics. Then test series are available. After finishing of the paid batch, you have a sufficient time to solve the test series, and the recorded videos, that whatever I am teaching you, the recorded videos will be available in this session. Okay, so this is all for this batch. So please do not forget to enroll by using the code Y391, 81% discount. My subject in this batch will be start from 5th of September, and the timing will be 6 a.m. to 7 a.m. So do not forget to enroll in this batch. Now, let's start the question. The essential of a valid equitable mortgage is debt, deposit of title deed, and what? Intention as security, intention of sale deposit, either A and B, neither A nor B. The essential of a valid equitable mortgage. So if you know the term that is equitable mortgage, the essential of the valid equitable is depth, deposit of the title deed, because equitable mortgage is also known as the mortgage by deposit of title deed. Tell me the exact answer of this one. Because see, if you know the term mortgage now, so we know that the mortgage simply means we are not actually transferring the property to the another person, but we are transferring the interest on that property to that other person. So what will be the exact essential of the valid equitable mortgage? An equitable mortgage is basically, the first term is no need of registration in the equitable mortgage. The place are notified by the state government, and the 3 places are there where this type of mortgage held. So these are the key points to learn the equitable mortgage. So for first one, the exact answer is intention as a security. Okay. The essential of the valid equitable mortgage is debt, the deposit of title deed, and the intention as a security. What security? Because in this one we are only depositing the title deed, so depositing the title deed, it is itself a security, so that's why intention must be required in the first one. So that's why for the first one, A is the right answer. Okay, now next one. Which of the following statement is correct? Number one, there is no period of limitation for sale of pledged goods. In the case of hypothecation, the limitation period is 3 years from the date of loan. Bill of exchange has 3-year limitation period from the due date, and all of the above is the right answer. You have to tell me the exact, this one. Which of the following is the correct one? First is no period of limitation for sale of pledge goods. Okay, in the case of hypothecation, it is 3 year and the bill of exchange is 3 year. Is that right? Third one. Second one, sorry. So for the second one, this is absolutely right. So that's why for this one, this D is the right answer. Which of the following statement is correct? So D is the right statement here. Okay, all of the above will be the right answer. Get my point? Now, extension of limitation period can be by way of obtaining fresh set of documents, acknowledgement of the debt, part payment, or all. It means extension of limitation. Every act have a limitation. Suppose the contract, within 1 year you can file the case. But if there is an extension, so whether it is obtaining the fresh set of documents, acknowledgement of debt, part payment, or all of the above. Third one, extension of limitation. Limitation period is very important from the examination point of view. In the paid batch, I will show you the particular chart in which you can easily learn the acts. So for the third one, the exact answer will be D will be the right answer, because in the limitation period, the particular, the act is there. The particular act, limitation period. Suppose the mortgage. For the mortgage, the limitation period is 12 years. So in that way, we have to learn. Next one. Which of the following can be proved in the court of law according to the Banker's Book Evidence Act? Existence of a document, condition of a document, contents of a document, or all of the above. Which of the following can be proved in the court of law according to the Banker's Book Evidence Act? So first of all, we have to understand what is Banker's Book. Okay, what is Banker's Book Evidence Act? So it's basically that act in which what document the bank can produce before the court. That is the Banker's Book Evidence Act. Okay, what types of document? Because bank have to maintain the record, isn't it? So suppose if the bank is maintaining the record, so and that record should be the certified copy, and that certified copy they have to present before the court. So whether it is existence of document, condition of the documents, content of the documents, or all of the above. So here for the fourth one, the exact answer will be, that is D is the right answer. Okay. If I go through in a very brief manner, so in India, there is an Indian Evidence Act 1872. Okay. So you can say that this Banker's Book Evidence Act, it is just like this one, because in Indian Evidence Act, what evidence we can present before the court, that is given. So in the Banker's Book Evidence Act, same thing is written here. Okay, so that's why D is the right answer. Now, oh, I think in today's session, so many questions are of Banker's Book Evidence Act. Which of the following statement is correct regarding the provision of Banker's Book Evidence Act? The first one is, Entries in the books of account regularly kept in the course of business are relevant in the matter of court inquiry. Second, however, the above statement shall not be alone be sufficient evidence to check any person with liability. It is not check, it is SHECK. That is called check. The entries in the books can be used as a corroborative evidence or all of the above. What is corroborative? Simply, suppose circumstantial, you can say. By the circumstance, we can say that, yeah, this is the evidence and hence prove that person is liable. Yes, anyone? Fifth one. Everybody have to participate in the question and answer session, and daily at 9 p.m. we are doing the important session of this one. So for the fifth one, the exact answer will be D. All of the above following points is the correct answer. Okay. Now, next. Okay, again this question. Which of the following statement is the correct regarding the Bankers Book Evidence Act? It is special act which provides certain privilege to the banks. This act deal in connection with the mode of proving the entries in their books. The act also have provision regarding the production of books in the court of law, or all of the above is the right answer here. Which of the following statement is correct regarding the Bankers Book Evidence Act? So here for the sixth one, it is a special act which provides certain privilege to the bank. This is not. The acts deal in connection with the mode of proving the entries in the books. The act also provision regarding production of books in the court of this law. So here 6.1 B is the exact answer, because this act deal the connection with the mode of providing entries in the book, because the bank kept the record in the various forms, so that record should be the certified one, and that certified document we can present before the court. So 6.1 B is the right answer. Next, who is mainly responsible for recovery of debt in DRT? Recovery officer, presiding officer, income tax officer, or superintendent of police? Seventh one. Who is mainly responsible for recovery of debt in the DRT? Recovery officer, presiding officer, income tax officer, or superintendent of police? That is very important. In every exam, the question from the DRT and DRAT always asks. So for the seventh one, if I talk about the DRT, we know that that is the presiding officer is the head, and in DRAT, the chairperson is the head. But for the responsible for recovery of debt, seventh one, that's absolutely presiding officer is the right answer. And for the DRAT, chairperson. Okay? Next. How much, eighth one, how much amount the debtor has to deposit with the appellant authority while filing the appeal against DRT orders? Okay, so the question is very simple. DRT is there. its appellant body is DRAT. So suppose we have to file the case from DRT to DRAT. So what is the maximum percentage we have to deposit in this one? Then we can appeal in DRAT. 10% of the debt, 25% of the debt, 50% of the debt, or 75% of the debt. The question is very simple. So for the eighth one, the previously it was the 75%, but now it is only the 50% of the debt mentioned in the order of the DRT. So that's why C will be the right answer. Next, which of the following statement is correct regarding filing an appeal with debt recovery appellate tribunal? Okay, so same question, but the question is different. DRT to DRAT. An appeal can be made with the appellant authority against order of DRT. Appeal can be filed with requisite fee. The debtor has to deposit a specified amount of the debt with appellant, and all of the above. Which of the following is the right one? The question is very simple. And those candidates, again, I'm saying, who are new in this session, do not forget, first of all, to subscribe the channel. If you subscribe the channel, the notification will automatically come. And today, if you purchase the upcoming batch, which is going to be start from 16th of August, so you will exactly get 81% of the discount. So for the ninth one, the exact answer is all of the above is the right answer. Good. What is the minimum number of members required in a private and a public company? That is 25, 720, 27, or 520. Minimum and okay, minimum number required in the private and public. Minimum. So here for the 10th one, the exact answer is absolutely minimum is C. Okay. So for here, C is the right answer. And the maximum number of member for the private, it is 200, and for the public, it is unlimited. Okay. So that's all for today's class. And this is the batch which is going to be start from 16th of August. So in this batch, live class, ebooks, test series, and the recorded videos are available. So if you want to enroll in this batch, do not forget to use the code Y391 for the maximum discount. And for this batch, here is the, okay, click on all courses, JIIB, CAIIB, and this is the English medium batch, okay. And okay, as you see, this is the 16 August batch. Click on view offer, okay, and put the coupon code Y391. Here, click on apply, and you can see 3199 is the actual price, 80% discount. And if you want 1% more discount, you have to purchase through the mobile. Download the app in the mobile and purchase this. Okay, and if you see the study plan, so AFB, This is from 16 August, AFB class will be start. Okay, AFB class. Then PPB class from 5th of September. The timing will be 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. Okay. And if I show you the LRB class, so LRB class will be start from 6 to 7 a.m. Morning, I will teach you the legal subject. So if you want to get enrolled, use the coupon code that is Y391. Okay. So that's all for today's class. Have a nice day and we will meet you tomorrow same at 9.